Can you sneeze while sleeping? Absolutely. But did you know your body has an incredible immune system that can help you sneeze and deal with infections? When you sleep, your body slows down, but it's still awake and aware. It can react to stimuli like sneezing. Deep sleepers might not show obvious signs of sneezing, but their bodies can still react to irritants. Your body's immune system stays vigilant throughout the night, ready to fight any intruders. When you're asleep, your brain processes and your body releases antibodies and proteins to help fight illnesses. Irritation and infections can still wake you up though. That's your body asking for attention. So the next time you sneeze, thank your body's incredible immune system for its hard work day and night. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science facts that will keep you awake at night.